What's up, Wildcats? I'm Imogen McNett, your senior class board president.
And I'm Ananya Kunoth, your senior class vice president.
And we have some super exciting senior updates for you guys, so listen up.
With 90 days left until graduation, there's some important information that you should know. First of all, graduation will be on June 11th from 7 to 9 p.m. at the Kent Shower Center. Make sure you're there, bring your friends and family, and get excited.
Our senior social is happening Tuesday, May 19th. It'll be a fun way to celebrate all sorts of senior accomplishments, as well as bond with your class. Make sure that you're following the Instagram and TikTok for more updates on theme and time.
And finally, what you guys have all been waiting for, prom. Our prom will be happening at the Museum of Pop Culture in Seattle on June 5th from 8 to 11 p.m. Keep a lookout for our theme.
And we're making a prom playlist this year, and we need your help. So enter your song recommendations into this QR code.
Wait, Imogen, what about the senior t-shirts?
Oh, right. Seniors, we're making you guys special t-shirts this year.
Use this QR code over here to place your pre-orders and put in your size.
You can also find the link on Parent Square.
Also, look out for our rock, paper, scissors bead game coming out soon. We'll post more details and updates on our Instagram again.
And also look out for our senior ice skating event.
That's all from us.
Bye.
We do FARCH Week here at Mount Si because it's the longest stretch between midwinter break to spring break. Plus, not to mention, it's the most gloomiest time of year. So we implemented fun games, activities, and opportunities for our fellow Wildcats to interact with each other. Meow!
I'm Finn.
And I'm Lily.
Today we're interviewing 4 life skills kids for the upcoming assembly, which they will be partnered up with varsity players and playing a basketball game. So make sure to show up and cheer loud. What's your name?
My name is Michael.
My name is Ada Deppy.
My name is Jesse.
Nice to meet you.
Jayan.
What grade are you at?
11th grade.
11.
That's awesome.
Just sophomore.
I'm in
What grade are you in?
11th, I think.
That's really cool.
11th.
What do you like about basketball?
I can make. I'm a demon at 3, like
That's awesome.
3-pointers. Cool. A lot of stuff, but I like to pick people hickles.
Because it is fun. It's like fun to play basketball.
Students and 3 shots.
That's really cool. What are 3 fun facts about yourself?
Learning the drills. I do 3s and I do alley-up. And
I like hanging out with friends.
That's awesome.
I like movies, I guess. Does that work?
Definitely.
And just hanging out.
Yeah, that's awesome. Me
Yeah.
too.
I'm a good FNAF role player.
That's really cool.
No, sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes I lose from South Coffin.
Yeah.
Oh, no, my enemies from a refresh.
Do you have 2 more?
Yes, 2 more. I'm also good Fortnite and other video games. And I can also run a little bit fast.
That's really cool.
I love chill, and I love basketball, and I love my friends.
That's awesome.
And also, I like your glasses.
Thank you.
Keep that in.
We are hosting a school-wide March Madness bracket challenge, and everyone has a chance to participate. All you have to do is scan the QR code on the flyers posted around the school. The QR code will take you to the bracket challenge where you can make your predictions and see who's going to win. It's easy, it's fun, it's free to participate. The winner's going to get a championship belt, basketball, and candy. Second and third will just get a basketball and candy. There's an updated bracket on the Career Center so you can stay updated. So everyone needs to scan that QR code and submit your bracket by Tuesday. Think you can predict the champions? There's only one way to find out. Good luck, cats.
You guys are gonna have to point at it, so make sure you're able to point at it.
Please swear. Please swear.
Swear.
Oh God. No.
What's up, cats? I'm here with
Chase Clark. Zane.
Mary and Taylor.
Vichu.
Devin. Ryan Holmgren.
Sawyer.
Preston.
Adrian.
Hudson.
You guys show me where Venezuela is on that map.
Oh, I know that one. That one's right there.
Which one?
That big one right there.
There. Show the map.
Right there?
In the middle of that.
In the middle of that? Okay. That's Africa.
Oh!
South America.
Yeah, it's like
South America.
over here, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it over here?
It's like right there.
Venezuela. Is it like right here?
Right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Like over here.
In South America, like right there.
Can you guys show me where Iran is?
Oh, that's one's right in here. This big one right here.
Yeah. Holy.
Like around here?
Yeah, it's like around here.
Yep.
We learn about this. Come on.
It's
no,
right. It's right there, right? Right over.
right there.
It's like right around here somewhere.
Right
I don't
there.
know.
Yeah. Okay, good job. Okay. And what about India?
India?
Right here.
Right here.
Okay.
That's that big one right there. India? That one's right here.
Okay. Right. Okay, Russia. That's Russia.
That's Africa, right?
Yeah, that's Africa. That's not. No. That's Greenland.
Right there. Right there. Yep.
Yes. Okay, and then Japan. Yes, there we go. Okay.
Oh, right here. This big one.
This big one?
This small one. This small one.
Okay.
Right
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, that one's right here.
Yes.
It's the small ones. Right here.
Okay, Malaysia.
Definitely on the right side.
Over here, right?
I feel like- No, that's Vietnam. No?
Right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Right here.
That's Malaysia.
No. Let's go right here.
Okay.
Oh, that one's got me. That one's somewhere in here. Right here?
No, that's not.
Nah, I don't know.
Nah. Okay. Italy.
Oh, you got that.
You got that.
It's in America, right? One of the Americas. No, it's in Europe, right? It's up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wait, don't click that. Don't click. Like down here?
Yes.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. It's gotta
Right
be
here.
No.
Right in the middle.
No. It's on the water. Right there.
Okay. So 100% fail rate. Yes. Okay. Good job, guys.
Oh.
It's a boot, right?
That one's in. Yeah. Right here.
Yeah.
Next Tuesday is St. Patrick's Day. We will be hosting a leprechaun scavenger hunt on Monday and Tuesday.
There will be riddles in the announcements on both mornings, and if you find one of the leprechauns, make sure you go to the leadership room to redeem your prize. Happy hunting!